This is section 10.6. We're going to find segment lengths in circles. This is a tougher section. Don't be afraid to use all of your resources. Rewind, rewatch videos, whatever you got to do. Make sure you understand what we're doing here. We're trying to find lengths of segments, not measures of angles. It's a big difference. When two chords intersect on the interior of the circle, each chord is divided into two segments that are called segments of the chord. So let's talk about these segments of the chord. Segment DC is a chord, but it crosses another chord and it splits each of those chords into what we call segments of the chord. So it looks like this. Now, we're not worried so much about the angles this time. We could find angle measures if we really wanted to. We're worried about the lengths of segments. Theorem 10.14 is going to help us find the segment lengths. So this is called the segments of the chords theorem. If two chords intersect on the interior of the circle, like we have in this picture, then the product of the lengths of the segments of the chord is equal to the product of the lengths of the segments of the other chord. So really what it means is blue times green equals purple times yellow. Let's try one. Find lengths using theorem 10.14. We need to find the distance from M to L and the distance from J to K. I'm going to put some colors on here again just for a reference. One chord is a combination of our blue and our green. The other chord is a combination of our purple and our yellow. Now, if you multiply purple and yellow together, that should equal green and blue. So let's take our purple, multiply it with our yellow. That must equal our green times our blue. Make sure you FOIL there. That's distributing twice. On this right side, we're just going to distribute once. We have an x squared on both sides. That makes it easy. They just cancel. I'm going to clean up the left side a little bit. We'll subtract 3x from both sides, so we get x equals 2. Okay, now make sure you plug back in. You want to find your lengths. So if x is 2, that means that guy's 6. This is 2. This is 4. This is 3. Double check, make sure this makes sense to you. Blue times green, that's 6 times 2. Does that equal 4 times 3? That's purple times yellow. Yeah, they both equal 12. Now, don't confuse this theorem with something different. For example, how long is the green and the blue chord combined? It's 8. How long is the purple and the yellow chord combined? It's 7. They don't have to be the same length. The chords are not the same length. What that means is when they get split into segments of the chord, their products are the same, those pieces.